Transform your showering routine into a luxurious experience with the Nuie Rene brushed brass hinged shower door. This exquisite 800mm door is designed to add a glow of elegance and sophistication to your bathroom. Made with 6mm toughened safety glass, it is built to last and can be installed to open in either direction to fit in with your bathroom layout. The Nuie Rene brushed brass shower door is not just a practical piece, but also a statement accessory that can be used alone on a recess or with a side panel to create a corner enclosure. Brighten your bathroom with the beautiful brushed brass glow of the Nuie Rene 800mm hinged door. Upgrade your bathroom today and enjoy a shower experience that is both stylish and practical. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie Shower Enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.